It is time for clue 10 of our year-long mystery crochet along. Weather is getting cooler, your blanket is getting bigger, so it will keep you nice and warm as we head into the colder months. So at the beginning of this year, I was so excited to tell you about how amazing this project is, but of course I couldn't. So I know you're starting to see now how absolutely epic this blanket is with all the different stitch patterns, all the different colors, and what a beautiful reminder it is to stay grounded and to stay centered in your truth and your values. The yarn you're going to need this month is our Belgian chocolate Shavings Mirage Sport yarn, which is a smooth, creamy cocoa shade that makes me just want to gobble up a chocolate bar immediately. So for the clue this month, we're going to learn how to work 3 fun stitches. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So for a long triple crochet or treble crochet, you're going to start by yarn overing twice and insert your hook into the stitch or space indicated, and you're going to yarn over and pull up a long loop. So boop, give it a nice little tug. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook 3 times. So again, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. For your double crochet decrease, just yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. And go ahead and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and you're going to do that again. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then go ahead and yarn over and pull through 3. For a 3 double crochet decrease, you're going to go ahead and yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and you're going to do that 3 times. So yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. So cozy up and stitch away, my friend. Enjoy every little stitch that you work this month, and I will see you next month with clue 11.